Let's cut across to Santya, who is speaking to Dipesh's lawyer.
NCB to the court, and he was given NCB custody till 9th of September. Right now, we are being joined by Dipesh Sawant's lawyer, Advocate Rajendra Rathod. So, thanks a lot for talking to us. My first question will be: now your client has been sent to custody till 9th of September. One thing, because I was listening when you were talking to others, you mentioned about how he was illegally detained, if that's the right term I can use. If you can show, throw some light on that, sir.
We put up a case before the court that I was being taken in custody by 4th September at around 9:30 from my residence. I was detained with them and I was kept till today. I am produced before the court. That is more than 24 hours or 36 hours have been passed on. Also, an email was sent to the higher authorities about that relation of a violation of section 57. 167 says I should be produced within 24 hours.
Right.
It is their case that they told he was with us, but we were recording statement and inquiry were going on. According to me, if that inquiry was going on, then his custody was further not required. And
So,
that
are
was,
you going to move to the higher court on this particular point?
At this stage, already my application is filed before the trial court. The trial court has called for the stay of the NCP. Till my application is decided, I can't move to the higher court. Let's see what a development takes on 9th.
Okay, so as far as NCB is concerned, so what role they are attributing to your client?
At this stage, they are only saying that he was a staffer of Sushant Singh, so they want to confirm that who were coming, who were not coming. As per that,
To his house,
to his
as in
house.
Sushant's house.
Sushant's house. As per what knowledge he had, that's the only thing I appears to be, because there is no role specific alleged to my client till yet.
Okay, anything which was seized from his place, currency which can be mentioned as sale of drug proceed or contraband itself?
Nothing can be seen in this remand.
Okay, and talking about sections, so if you can tell us what sections he is charged with, sir?
He is commonly charged with all accused. There is no specific section he has been charged with. But as per legal time, I appears that 29 is there, which is a conspiracy. NDPS. Which says of conspiracy, so that must be under that charge they are specifically booking him also. Because there is nothing recovered or discovered at his still yet.
Okay. So thanks a lot for talking to us, sir. So Avni, you heard that Dipesh's lawyer said that his client was actually kept in detention illegally. So the law says that if a person is arrested within 24 hours, that person has to be produced in front of a court, a magistrate. But according to Dipesh Sawant's lawyer, that was not done in his client's case. He was kept under custody for 36 hours. But NCB has to say that they were actually recording his statements and he was not detained. Hence the delay. Now he has been sent to NCB custody till 9th of September. And his lawyer, as we heard, he has said that he has moved an application accusing NCB of detaining his client illegally. And the decision, the matter on that matter is yet to come, it is yet to be heard. As of now, Dipesh Sawant is in NCB custody till 9th of September.